Hi, my name is Nigel and I'll be running my React Native application called IPPT. So after we scan the QR code, we'll be building the Metro bundler. Currently it's building it. So now this is the splash screen where the user will see for 2 seconds before redirected to the home page. So in the main flow where he starts the workout, okay, we can see the push-up screen where the user can press start and then start his push-up exercises. So as the timer goes down, the user will be reminded of how much time they have left to do the push-ups, and they will just count the number of reps that they have done. So we will wait for the timer to wind down. So this is for demo purposes. However, it actually has 60 seconds to go, as that is the standard time. So the user will be able to key in how much time or how many reps they have done. So in this case, maybe they have done 60. They can press the submit button and they have a notification that it was submitted, and then they can press next where they can start their sit-ups, where the same process happens. So the data is being sent via async storage and stored in the device of the user. So we will wait for the countdown to go down as well. So the user will be doing their sit-ups within this 60 seconds. However, as mentioned, this is a demo, so yeah. So let's say the person has done 60 repetitions. You will press submit and you'll be sent via async storage to the user's local storage. So next, 2.4 kilometer run. So same here, they use Google Maps, in order to allow the user to track where he is. So as we can see, the timer is going up, right? So it will record the time that the user has elapsed for the run. So as you can see, the pin is moving, right? So this is a form of location tracking to show where the user is. As you can see, I'm moving around. So it also tracks the distance traveled as well. Yes, so let's say the user is done, so you can press stop. As you can see, now this is in the complete page, the finish page, where the user is able to it reminds the user to cool down first, so that they avoid some injuries. And when they press the check results, they can check they'll be redirected to the lock screen where they can see how many reps they have done, and the date and timestamp beside it also shows which is the corresponding results that they have clocked. So they can either clear the data or they can go back to the home. So they can come back to the home screen, right? So they can see that they can come to the workout log where it's the lock screen as seen earlier, or they can come to the user guide to check on what are the functions available and how to use them as well. So there's also video tutorials to redirect the users over to instructional videos, such as for the push-ups, sit-ups, and also for the 2.4, where you will give them tips and tricks as well. So next, they also allows the user to check the weather as well. So it will check the area that the location of the user, and then use the API from a different website in order to check the description and also the temperature of the current location of the user. So this can be used for the user to track the area around him, what is the weather like before he plans his run or his exercises. Next, as you all know, IPPT takes into account the points and the age, right, in order for the army, the Singapore military, to incentivize Singapore national servicemen, right? So for example, if I was 24 years old, I'll key it in, and then as seen earlier, I have done 60 push-ups and 60 sit-ups, and my runtime was let's say it was around 660 seconds. Okay, so when I press on the IPPT's calculate score, it will actually use an API to use it as a tool to check how many points was scored using having done 60 push-ups and sit-ups. As you can see, the push-up score was 25, sit-up score was 25, and the run score of 660 seconds was actually 37 points. So using the API, it also helps us to ascertain what result was attained by the serviceman, and also the points received, and also the cash incentive that they will receive after getting this result. Yeah, that is all for the IPPT trainer application. Thank you for viewing it. Thank you.